Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Is your marriage on the rocks because you buy too many candles? Well, I've got something here that's gonna make it worth it. I love this vanilla bean candle from Shortie's. There's a lot to love about it. I love that it's made from essential oils and that it's 100% soy wax. I love how it smells. It made my whole house smell like vanilla frosting. It burns slow, which is nice here. I'd been burning it for a couple hours. I tried it in some of my stinky rooms, like the bathroom, and I tried it in my laundry room, which is also the room that the cat box is in. And it neutralized the odors in those rooms. And it made the whole house smell great. We have kind of a small home, but it has high ceilings and it does take a lot for the scent of a candle to fill the whole house, and this has definitely met those needs. So this candle has exceeded my expectations. It smells so good. I love it. I think you're gonna love it too. And that's my point of view.